Hello everyone, I am Ritika Juzkar, Assistant Professor IT Department. So in the course of Software Engineering, we have a total 6 units, okay, Unit 1 to Unit 6. So here, the Unit 1 is based on Introduction to Software Engineering, Unit 2 is based on Requirement Engineering and Analysis, Unit 3 based on Design and Engineering, Unit 4 is based on Project Planning and Management and Estimation, Unit 5 is based on Software Quality and Testing, and Unit 6 is based on former methods, recent trends in software engineering. Okay, so today onwards we started our software engineering course. So this is a second year information technology syllabus from Savitribai Phule Pune University. Okay, so in today's lecture we are going to discuss about Unit 1. Okay, so today onwards we discuss about Unit 1. Okay, so Unit 1 is based on Introduction to the Software Engineering. So the first point is a software engineering fundamental. What is meant by software engineering, why we require software engineering, need of software engineering also. Okay, so let us discuss one by one. So we just so this is simple overview of this Unit 1. So we discuss about these points one by one in a later session. So software engineering provides a standard procedure to design and develop a software. So our software engineering course contains all the topics of software engineering like software engineering model, software development lifecycle, requirement engineering, software design tools, software design strategies also, software design levels, project management, software development activities, software management tools and software टेस्टिंग लेवल्स, अप्रोचेस कौन से यूज़ कर सकते हैं, क्वालिटी अश्योरेंस एंड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट आल्सो, क्वालिटी कंट्रोल आल्सो, मैनुअल टेस्टिंग कैसे की जाती है, सॉफ्टवेयर मेंटेनेंस क्या होता है, सॉफ्टवेयर रिक्वायरमेंट इंजीनियरिंग दैट इज़ SRS specifications also, software development tools and some case tools also. Okay, so first thing is what is software engineering. So let us first understand what software engineering stands for, and the term is made of two words. First is the software and second thing is the engineering. Software is what? Software is more than just a program code. So the program is an executable code which serves some computational purpose. So software is considered to be the collection of executable programming code associated with set of libraries, documentations. Okay, so software when made for a specific requirement is called as a software product. Okay, so first thing is what? Software is a collection of integrated program. Software is considered to be the collection of executable programming code, associated libraries and the documentations, and the engineering is the application of scientific and practical knowledge to invert, design, build, maintain and improve frameworks and processes, etc. So that means the engineering is all about developing the products using well-defined scientific principles and the methods. So as I said, software is made up of a software product. Okay, we have a different software product, and by using this product we develop one software. So software when made for a specific requirement is called as a software product. So software engineering is an engineering branch related to the evaluation of software product using well-defined scientific principles, techniques and procedures. So the result of this software engineering is an effective and reliable software product. Okay, so this is all about the software engineering. The next thing is the characteristics of good software engineer. So the features that good software engineer should possess as follows. First thing is exposed to systematic method, that is familiarity with the software engineering principles, good technical knowledge and project range also. This is called as a domain knowledge, and the good programming abilities also. Okay, so if anyone want to develop software, गुड सॉफ्टवेयर, सो विच थिंग्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, सिस्टमैटिक मेथड उसको पता होनी चाहिए, टेक्निकल नॉलेज, प्रोडक्ट रेंज पता होनी चाहिए, प्रोग्रामिंग का नॉलेज होना चाहिए, कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स उसकी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, हाई मोटिवेशनेबल होना चाहिए, साउंड नॉलेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंस पता होना चाहिए, इंटेलिजेंस होना चाहिए, एबिलिटी टू वर्क इन टीम also, and discipline also. Okay, so this is the characteristics of the good software engineer. Okay, so the next thing is the characteristics of good software. अगर कोई हमें सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप करना है, सो कौन से थिंग्स होनी चाहिए सॉफ्टवेयर को गुड बनाने के लिए. So the software product can be judged by what it offers and how well it can be used. So this software must satisfy the following things. First is the operational, then transitional, and the maintenance. Operational means what? How well software works in operations. Transitions means what? When the software is moved from one platform to the another. किस तरह से हमारे सॉफ्टवेयर वर्क करेगा. सो दिस इज़ अ ऑपरेशन, कैसे हम ऑपरेशंस परफॉर्म करेंगे सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर. ट्रांजिशन मीन्स व्हाट? अगर हमने कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप किया है उसको हम दूसरे प्लेटफॉर्म के ऊपर एग्जीक्यूट कर सकते हैं क्या, उसके ऊपर वर्क कर सकते हैं क्या, वो मूवेबल होगा क्या सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ ट्रांजिशन. एंड मेंटेनेंस, अ सॉफ्टवेयर हैज़ द कैपेबिलिटीज टू मेंटेन इटसेल्फ इन द एवर चेंजिंग एनवायरनमेंट. ओके, डे बाय डे अगर सॉफ्टवेयर की रिक्वायरमेंट अगर बढ़ती जा रही है, सो उसका मेंटेनेंस भी हमें बढ़ते जाएगा. ओके, so this is a maintenance. So to develop any type of software, for the good software we require operational thing, transitional things, and the maintenance thing also. So in the operational things we required some budget, usability कैसी होगी उसकी, efficiency and the correctness also. फंक्शनैलिटी कौन सी हम यूज़ करने वाले हैं, डिपेंडेंट कितना होगा वो, सिक्योर कितना होगा हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर, एंड सेफ्टी कितनी होगी उसकी. सो दीज आर दी ऑपरेशनल थिंग्स. ओके, ट्रांजिशनल थिंग्स मीन्स व्हाट? पोर्टेबल, हम एक प्लेटफॉर्म से दूसरी प्लेटफॉर्म में उसको मूव कर सकते हैं क्या, मीन्स व्हाट? पोर्टेबल होगा क्या हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर, इंटर ऑपरेबिलिटी होगा क्या हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, हमें इंटरनल फीचर्स को ईजिली ऑपरेट कर सकते हैं क्या, ईजिली रीयूज़ कर सकते हैं क्या उसको हम, एंड एडेप्टेबल होगा क्या हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके, सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ ट्रांजिशनल. एंड द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज अ मेंटेनेंस. Maintenance contain if our software is a maintainability, has a maintainability things, flexibility things, and the scalability things. So this is all about the maintenance part. Okay, so in short, software engineering is a branch of computer science which uses well-defined engineering concepts required to produce efficient, durable, scalable, in budget, and on-time software product. Okay, so this is all about the characteristics of the good software. Next thing is the software crisis. So there are so in the software crisis we have the size and cost. सॉफ्टवेयर की साइज़ क्या होगी, उसकी कॉस्ट क्या होगी. So the day-to-day growing complexity and expectations out of software, the softwares are more expensive and more complex. The next is the quality. Software products must have good quality and delayed delivery. So software takes longer than the estimated time to develop, which in turn leads to the cost shooting up. Okay, so these are the software crises. So why software engineering is required? Software engineering helps to manage the software, manage the large softwares. Okay, so software engineering helps to manage the software, be it large or small. Without an understanding of the software, it is difficult to manage and maintain the same. So proper documentation helps in the process for the software development. and this is helps to manage the software for its better quality also. And the next thing is the software should be scalable according to the need of the hours, as it may require different aspect of maintenance and uses. So if you are developing any type of software, so we require more scalability, which helps in the software engineering process. And cost should be also managed properly, as it affect the maintenance of the product and the services. So software engineering helps in the cost management, as every process is tracked properly and reported to the proper tool. Okay, so to manage the dynamic nature of software and for the better quality management also. So for these reasons we require the software engineering. First is requirement is to manage the large software for more scalability, cost management, to manage the dynamic nature of software, and for the better quality management. Okay, next thing is the need of software engineering. So the necessity of software engineering appears because of a higher rate of progress, is user requirements and the environment on which the program is working. So in the need of software engineering, first thing is a huge programming. So it is simpler to manufacture a wall than to house or building. Similarly, as the measure of programming become extensive, engineering has to step to give it a scientific process. The next thing is adaptability. So if the software procedure were not based on the scientific and engineering ideas, so it would be the simpler to recreate new software than to scale an existing one. The next thing is the cost. So as the hardware industry has demonstrated its skills and huge manufacturing has laid down the cost of computers and the electronic hardware, but the cost of programming remain high if the proper process is not adapted. And the next thing is a dynamic nature. The continuing growing and adapting the nature of programming usually depends upon the environment in which the client work. So if the quality of the software is continually changing, the new upgrades need to be done in the existing one. Okay, डे बाय डे जो भी हम सॉफ्टवेयर यूज़ करते हैं उसके अंदर अपडेशन आ सकती है. अगर लास्ट ईयर में अगर मैंने कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप किया है तो न्यू ईयर जो भी न्यू ईयर होगा या फिर इसके आगे वाले जो भी ईयर्स होंगे, सो डे बाय डे उसके अंदर चेंजेस भी हो सकते हैं. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्लाइंट रिक्वायरमेंट वी हैव टू अपग्रेड अवर software. So this is a dynamic nature. Our software is changed day by day. Then the quality management. So better procedure of the software development provides a better and quality software product. अगर हम कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर के अंदर क्वालिटी अगर बेटर प्रोवाइड करते हैं, उसका मैनेजमेंट अगर प्रॉपरली करते हैं, सो हमारा सॉफ्टवेयर क्या होगा, बेटर हो गया एंड इट विल प्रोवाइड द बेटर क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट, better quality software product. Okay, so these are the need of the software engineering. Okay, so in the next video we are going to discussing about the importance of software engineering and software evaluation things, and what are the software paradigms also. Okay, so you can check my next video for the understanding purpose. Thank you.